how to download and install Minecraft on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download or install Minecraft on your Android phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Google Play Store on your device. So simply open the Google Play Store. And now after you open the Play Store, you'll have to tap on search icon. And now from here, in the search field, you'll have to type for Minecraft. Alright, so after you made the search in Google Play Store, you'll be able to view the official game Minecraft on your interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on that game. And now from here, to install this Minecraft on your device, you'll have to pay for this, as it is showing $6.99. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to make the payment method. So from here, you can add your credit card or debit card. So after you made the payment from here, you will be able to download or install the Minecraft on your Android phone. So as usual, you can also go through this step on Chrome browser or any browser. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.